Yay! It's Sunday, a fun day. Let's make something very different today. 안녕하세요. Hello friends, welcome to Niti's Book of Love. Today we are going to make yachajeon, that is Korean vegetable pancakes, and geranjejum, that is eggs cooked in Korean style. Trust me, this dish is going to be loved by everyone in your family. I went to the market today and let's see what we got. Well, I got some fresh scallions. We have a bell pepper, a yellow and a green one, the cherry tomatoes, a carrot, and mushrooms. My daughter personally loves mushrooms, so I just need salt, oil, some black pepper, and I was able to find some eggs and sausages. We are going to be taking off the ends and we're just going to use the green part of the scallion. These greens are a treat to the eyes. So we have just a bunch. We are going to be chopping them about say 2-inch thick because we want them to be binding. So very, very easy recipe and an anytime meal, which I'm sure with the monsoons and the cravings for something fried and crispy is going to be enjoyed by all of us. And from a basket, I found a zucchini too. Next, we are going to cut the zucchini. We are going to cut it into long, thin slices. What we are going to do is we are going to be adding these zucchinis to the scallions. Now we get the scallions out. Next will be the carrot and we chop them also into thin slices. Add the carrots to the scallions and zucchini. Now we add some color with the capsicum. Chop, 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 chop them thin and long. That is all what this recipe wants. Rest is an easy cakewalk. Done with the chopping. Now is the time to bind them together. We take say about half a cup of all-purpose flour, mixing, add a dash of salt and black pepper, and we add a quarter cup of corn flour. The corn flour will make it crispy and also hold the vegetables together. We're almost done. Just a little more of mixing. Now we take a pan, put the heat on and spray some oil. And now we will be putting this mixture of all the greens that we have made. I'll keep the heat off for some time till I lay them out. All these colors mixing, I'm sure it's going to come out good. Holding a chopstick is an art in its own. So I'm kind of getting used to this. A little more on the side, and that should be it. Turning the heat on. Some more oil on the other side. Use a turner to bring all the veggies together from the sides. The closer they are, the better they are going to stick together. You and me are going to be doing it. So even they have to be together. One side is almost done, so we will carefully toss it. So now comes the other side.
While the pancakes are cooking on the other side, let's start with the eggs. We take the sausages and cut them into small rounds. Next comes the mushrooms. We're going to slice them up too. About a couple of them. I think that should be fine. So we put them together in another plate. Now we take the cherry tomatoes. We will slit them into halves. Meanwhile, the pancakes are getting crispier on low flame. Keep the tomatoes also aside. And the next we have capsicum. We chop the capsicums also into thin long slices. We are now ready to make the eggs. We put the other pan here. Take a mold pan and sprinkle some oil. Crack one egg into each slot. Let's make them into some pretty faces. Starting with capsicum, we line them on the corners. Fence them up with greens. And now some sausages. I want to make a smile out of it. Let's make the last one a little different. So, no sausages in this one. And now it's time for some nosy mushrooms. And lastly, let's add some color with the cherry tomatoes. Don't they look pretty? Now some oil, salt, and some black pepper. Cook them on low flame for some time. We will cook them covered so they can swell up nicely. About 5 minutes and your eggs are ready. Let's check the pancakes, and yes, the pancakes are done too. Let's serve them and enjoy it.